We got something really special going on today, guys. For the first time, we're gonna be putting out wheels on the new Bronco VenomRex wheels. In case you didn't know, VenomRex is a brand from Vorsteiner. It's their off-road truck wheel brand. Completely different spoke designs, completely different colors, specifically just for trucks. Ooh. VR-601BL, BL for B-Lock. Flow force, so not cast. A lot stronger than cast. Color is coal black. These are 17 by 9. Really nice. I like the little design they have on the B-Lock ring. So this is the same shield that's on their logo, as you guys can see. So it's really cool. Satin black, clean finish, can't go wrong with this. 6-spoke open design. VenomRex off-road performance. Satin black to match. It's like that kind of blocky, big center cap design, which is really cool. What do you think, Raul? Is it gonna look good?
Oh yeah.
Mighty good?
Yeah, I look forward to it.
Forward to what?
Forward to putting these wheels on the Bronco, bro.
If you're looking for nice off-road wheels, check out VenomRex. Not only are they lighter and stronger than cast wheels, but they're also unique enough that you won't see these on every other truck out there. You get that precision European styling you'd expect from Vorsteiner, combined with some of that ruggedness, and that's what VenomRex is. Fitment is also way better than factory. They sit about 1.5 inches further out than the factory wheels, giving you a more aggressive stance. Keep in mind, these are on a Sasquatch Bronco, so the fender flares are wider than the regular Broncos. If you're interested in a set, hit us up as we just got in our huge inventory of Bronco wheels.